Welcome to Chemistry Not Mystery. You can also visit my website chemistrynotmystery.com. In this video, we are going to learn how to assign RS configuration if your molecule is written in Fischer projection. This video is also available in Hindi and you can get its link in the description box. So first try to answer this question. Do the following structures represent identical molecule or enantiomers? If you are not able to answer this question, watch this video till the end and by the end you will be able to answer it. RS system of nomenclature was given by a group of scientists named Kahn, Ingold and Prelog. It is a way to indicate the configuration of atoms or groups about the chirality center. Here R stands for rectus, which means right, and S stands for sinister, which means left. Here are some rules to determine RS configuration in Fischer projection. First, you have to rank the groups or atoms that are bonded to the chiral center on the basis of atomic number of the atom directly attached to the chirality center. So let's try to apply this rule on the given molecule. Here, first you have to identify the atom that is directly bonded to the chiral center. In methyl, carbon is directly bonded to the chiral center. In OH, oxygen is directly bonded to the chiral center. Now, we can rank the atoms on the basis of their atomic numbers. So, among chlorine, oxygen, hydrogen and carbon, the atomic number of chlorine is the highest one. Its atomic number is 17, so chlorine will get the first priority or the first rank. Next, the atomic number of oxygen is 8, so it will get the second priority. And methyl will get third priority and hydrogen will get fourth priority. Now we have to draw an imaginary arrow from first priority group to the second priority group. And you can draw past fourth priority but not from the third priority group. So when you draw an arrow from first priority to the second priority, so in this way you can get an arrow in the right direction. So if the arrow points in right direction or clockwise, then the molecule has R configuration. So this molecule has R configuration. What happens if the fourth priority group is bonded to the horizontal bond? Here, first you have to rank the atoms that is directly bonded to the chiral center. In CH3, carbon is directly bonded. In OH, oxygen is directly bonded to the chiral carbon. So, chlorine will get the first priority. OH will get second priority. Methyl will get third priority and hydrogen will get the fourth priority. But here, fourth priority group is directly bonded to the horizontal bond and this is horribly wrong. So in this case, you have to change the configuration. First, draw an arrow from first priority to the second priority. From first to second, we can draw past fourth priority but not third priority. So you can draw an arrow in this direction, not in the opposite direction because otherwise you have to bypass third priority group, which is wrong. So in this way, you will get the configuration of this molecule R, but remember we have to change the configuration because here fourth priority is bonded to the horizontal bond. So R changes to S. So the actual configuration of this molecule is S. What happens if we switch pair of groups? Here I have switched chlorine with hydrogen. So when we switch a pair of group, what will happen to the configuration of the molecule? First, rank the molecule. First, rank the groups on the basis of their atomic number. So we can rank in this way. Now draw an arrow from first priority to the second priority. So in this way, in the right direction, you can draw an arrow. So the configuration of this molecule comes out to be R. Now rank the molecule in the second molecule. So Cl will get first priority, OH second priority, methyl third priority, and hydrogen will get fourth priority. So now when you draw an arrow in this molecule, you can get an arrow in the left direction. So the configuration of this molecule will be S. So what will happen when we switch a pair of groups? You will get an enantiomer. You will get an enantiomer. But what will happen if we switch both the pairs? Let's see. Here we have switched Cl with hydrogen, OH with methyl. First, rank the groups on the basis of their atomic number. So in this way, you can rank the molecule. Now, draw an arrow from first priority to second priority. So here you will get R configuration because the arrow we have drawn in clockwise direction. And in the next molecule, Cl will get first priority, OH second, methyl third, and hydrogen fourth priority. So now when you draw an arrow from first to second priority, in this way, you will get an arrow in the same right direction. So this molecule will also has the R configuration. That means these two molecules are identical molecules that have the same configuration. I hope now you will be able to solve this question. And you have to post your answer in the comment box. If you have any doubt, you can post them in the comment box. And don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification. You can also join my Telegram channel and follow me on Twitter or Instagram. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Stay safe.